Ever been on a call where it sounds like you're talking through a tin can? Or tried to join a video meeting only to stare at a frozen screen? Or maybe you've juggled a dozen different apps just to communicate with your team and customers. Feels like a digital circus, right? You're not alone. But here's the real question. Why does communication, something so fundamental, feel so fragmented? Why is it so hard to just connect clearly and efficiently? Think about it. We live in a world where we can send a message across the globe in seconds, but often, the actual communication feels like a struggle. That's the problem we're going to tackle today. And to do that, we need to talk about 8x8. Now, you might have heard the name or you might be completely new to it. Either way, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what 8x8 is, and more importantly, what its purpose is in this crazy, interconnected world of ours. Let's rewind a bit. Businesses, big and small, have always needed to communicate, whether it's with their own employees or with their customers. But in the past, that meant a patchwork of different systems. You'd have a phone system for calls, a separate platform for video meetings, maybe another for chat, and yet another for customer service. It was a mess. Imagine trying to manage all those different tools, training your team on each one, and dealing with the inevitable compatibility issues. It was a recipe for inefficiency, frustration, and wasted time. That's where 8x8 comes in. Its core purpose, its fundamental reason for existence, is to unify communication, to bring all those disparate channels together into a single, seamless platform. Think of it as a digital Swiss Army knife for communication. Instead of carrying around a bunch of separate tools, you've got everything you need in one place. But what does that actually mean in practice? Well, 8x8 offers a cloud-based communication platform that integrates voice, video, chat, and contact center solutions. Let's break that down. First, voice. This isn't just your standard phone system. 8x8 provides crystal clear, reliable voice communication, whether you're calling from your desk phone, your mobile device, or your computer. It's built for the modern workplace, where people are increasingly working remotely or on the go. Next, video. Video conferencing has become essential for collaboration, especially with the rise of remote work. 8x8 offers high-quality video meetings with features like screen sharing, virtual backgrounds, and meeting recording. It's designed to make virtual meetings feel as natural and productive as in-person ones. Then there's chat. Instant messaging has become the primary way many teams communicate. 8x8 provides a unified chat platform that allows employees to collaborate in real time, share files, and stay connected. It's not just about sending quick messages. It's about fostering teamwork and streamlining workflows. And finally, contact center. This is where 8x8 really shines for businesses that interact with customers. Their contact center solutions provide a comprehensive suite of tools for managing customer interactions across all channels, including phone, email, chat, and social media. It's about providing a seamless and personalized customer experience. So, the purpose of 8x8 isn't just about providing individual communication tools. It's about bringing them all together into a unified platform. And that unification has a number of key benefits. First, it simplifies communication. By having everything in one place, employees can easily switch between different channels without having to juggle multiple apps. This saves time, reduces frustration, and improves productivity. Second, it improves collaboration. When teams can communicate seamlessly, they can work together more effectively. This leads to better decision-making, faster problem-solving, and increased innovation. Third, it enhances customer experience. By providing a unified platform for customer interactions, businesses can deliver a more consistent and personalized experience. This leads to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Fourth, it reduces costs. By consolidating communication tools into a single platform, businesses can save money on licensing fees, maintenance, and support. And fifth, it increases flexibility. With a cloud-based platform, employees can communicate from anywhere, at any time, using any device. This is essential for today's mobile and distributed workforce. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that sounds great in theory, but how does it actually work in practice? Let's take a closer look at a few specific examples. Imagine a sales team that needs to collaborate on a proposal. With 8x8, they can start with a quick chat message to brainstorm ideas, then seamlessly transition to a video meeting to discuss the details, and finally use the voice platform to finalize the proposal with the client, all without ever leaving the 8x8 platform. Or consider a customer service team that needs to handle a high volume of inquiries. With 8x8's contact center solutions, they can manage all customer interactions from a single dashboard, regardless of the channel. They can also use features like intelligent call routing and automated chatbots to provide faster and more efficient service. Another use case could be a remote team spread across different time zones. 8x8 allows them to stay connected and collaborate effectively, regardless of their location. They can use video meetings to hold virtual team meetings, chat to stay in touch throughout the day, and voice calls to communicate directly with colleagues. Essentially, the purpose of 8x8 is to empower businesses to communicate more effectively. It's about breaking down communication silos and creating a unified experience for both employees and customers. But it's not just about the technology itself. It's also about the underlying philosophy. 8x8 believes that communication should be simple, seamless, and reliable. It should enable people to connect and collaborate without friction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.